Hi, today we're making chicken pastel. So chicken pastel is traditionally made into a pie. But this chicken pastel, gagawin lang natin siya na parang ulam kasi rice ang sasama natin sa kanya. Ang mga ingredients natin para sa ating chicken pastel ay this is 750 grams ng chicken breast cut into cubes, 1 chorizo de bilbao also cut into cubes. So po pwede rin dito na slice. This is about 8 pieces ng sausages, yung nakalata na sausage. So, bawat isa sa kanya is kinat natin into 4 pieces. 1.5 cups ng diced carrots, 1.5 cups ng diced potato, half a cup ng sliced button mushrooms, half a cup ng heated olives. So, I'm using black olives dito, pero pwede rin kung ang gusto nyo gamitin is yung green, kaya lang mas mahal yun. 1 tablespoon ng finely minced garlic. This is 3/4 of a cup ng diced onion. Half a cup ng butter. 2 tablespoons ng flour. 1 Knorr chicken cube. 1 cup ng evaporated milk. 2 cups ng water. Half a cup ng grated cheese. And salt and pepper to taste. So yan ang mga ingredients natin para sa ating chicken pastel. For our procedure, we have a pan here na mainit na. So, i-melt natin yung ating butter. Pag tunaw na yung butter natin, i-add naman natin yung ating garlic. At igigisa natin yung garlic hanggang maging fragrant siya or medyo brown ng konti. So, medyo brown na yung ating garlic at fragrant na siya. So, i-add naman natin yung ating onion. At igigisa naman natin to hanggang malanta yung onions natin. Malanta na yung ating onions, ilalagay na natin yung ating chicken. At isusutay natin to hanggang hindi na pink yung chicken natin. Hindi na pink yung chicken natin, i-add natin ngayon yung ating 2 cups ng water. Yung ating Knorr chicken cube. We'll season it with a little bit of ground black pepper. A little bit of salt. At pakukuluin lang natin to hanggang lumambot yung chicken natin. So, balikan natin. So, halfway through ng cooking natin ng chicken, i-add natin yung ating chorizo. At i-continue lang natin na lutuin to hanggang lumambot yung chicken natin. Balikan natin. Malambot na yung chicken natin, i-add na natin yung iba nating ingredients. Lagay natin yung potatoes, yung carrots, yung mushrooms, yung olives, pati na rin yung ating Vienna sausage. So, mimix natin ito lahat together. At hahayaan natin na maluto yung ating vegetables. Kapag handa na yung ating vegetables, pwede natin i-add yung ating evaporated milk. Pati na rin yung ating grated cheese. Haluin lang natin to at huwag natin tatakpan kung hindi magka-curdle yung ating evaporated milk. Tikman natin. Siya ng konting pepper. And a little bit ng salt. So, isisika natin yung ating sauce. Bali, ang pampalapot na gagamitin natin is yung ating flour na sinamahan ng konting water. So, depende sa gusto ninyo na thickness, yung ilagay ninyo na mixture ng flour and water. Yan. So, mabilis lang siya lumapot, diba? Pwede na nating patayin yung apoy ngayon. This is how we're serving our chicken pastel. Bali, kapartner niya is rice. So, sana nagustuhan niyo itong ating video at sana i-try niyo itong ating recipe. So, hanggang sa susunod ulit. Maraming salamat sa panonood.